In this video, I want to show you how to format your PC and reinstall Windows 10. Formatting your PC and reinstalling Windows is quite simple, but take note it will erase everything from your PC. So as a result of that, make sure you back up your file before starting this process. So to start this process, come to Start icon and click on Settings. Then come to Updates and Security. At this left hand side, come to Recovery. Click on Recovery and then under Reset this PC, click on Get Started. We have two options here, Keep My File and Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My File, it will retain your personal file, but if you click Remove Everything, everything will be removed. So let's go with Remove Everything. Then it will bring these two options, either to reinstall the window through cloud download or local reinstall. So whichever one you prefer, let's go with local reinstall. If you select local reinstall, click on Change Settings. Then choose Clean Data, enable it. Then Download Windows, also enable it as well. Then click on Confirm. Click on Next. This will get things started. Then it will bring this page. Make sure you have 4 gig or more free space. Click on Reset. This will start the downloading process and it will take a long time. You have to patiently wait for it, and during this process your system may restart several times. So just keep your system charged and it will bring this on-screen prompt up. Just make sure you follow the instruction and set up your Windows. And here we have it. Your Windows has been installed. Thank you for watching.